Well with it. Today I'm about to do something very different and special for y'all, man. Right now I'm about to explain one of my customs. So I'm about to start doing this quite a bit. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hard. Yeah. I got a pissed out why I got him so mad. Scratch me out the list, I'm not coming in last. Don't you second guess, I'm not going outside. Behind my back, talk about me and my paper bragging. Little you know, entrepreneur, get the bread. Yes, sir. Hey, get. Okay, of course, y'all know what this is, man. Prepping. You got to prep this shoe, man. If you want to paint it, prep it. You hear me? Tape game nasty. Hitting that mud with the paint. Then I had, dilute that mud too thin. Yes, sir. Mixy. So right now I'm just hitting it with a little pink as the base. Other colors can cover up that pink quite easily. Just like you see, I'm going in with the blue now. So that blue can cover up that pink very easily. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just trying to create the base layer of the galaxy. You know what I'm saying? Let me try this down. So I'm creating the base layer of it. Right now what I'm doing is the stencils. I added the yellow and greenish type of color. I mean, of course that's not all the way in the galaxy, but that's just my galaxy. You feel me? But right now I'm doing the little stencil work, doing some halo work. I know it's moving really fast, all that kinds of stuff. But with this galaxy, I try to do it a little bit different, but doing it more of the same that I do. Explaining it. I put more of the little stars or whatever. I tried to make it a little unrealistic, if that's a thing. Cause I mean, you see, I got on like tiger stripes and oh my goodness, cheetah print and all that kind of stuff. So I tried to make it a little unrealistic, you know what I'm saying, instead of making it like a real looking galaxy or whatever. But then I threw the slimy swoosh on there. I used a couple different shades of green on there. I think y'all can see how I just put the tape on there and then just carved that mug out with my X-Acto knife. And then I had throw the logo on that ball all day. That's what we rapping, you did. But yeah, that stencil laid down super easy. Because that back panel is dang near flat. So it's pretty easy to lay that stencil down. Get that done. Then you gotta cut it out. Yes, sir. Tag that thing, man. Let them know who did. Yeah. Finisher. On this one, I use more than likely LK top coat. Yes, sir. Still use it to this day. Figuring out the laces. What I like to do with the laces is, like y'all just saw, I like to put them up against the shoe before I unwrap them joints and stuff like that. I like to put them up against the shoe to see which one will make the shoe pop more. That's just me personally. I can tell. Y'all can't do that. That may not work for y'all, but I advise you to at least try it. You know what I'm saying? The laces always tie the shoe up together very well. So hold on, let me get y'all back to the main screen. Okay, so yeah, with that custom, how it came about, honestly, I just was freestyling some stuff. I knew my brother Addison was like, he wanted to do a galaxy thing, because we actually was supposed to be doing a shirt to match it, but we ended up going another direction with this giveaway. But so thank God, man. Yeah, so how it came about, he wanted to do a galaxy thing, so I tried to just do a slightly different galaxy thing, but you can still tell like this is a cadet galaxy, you know what I'm saying? So I think that came out fire. Y'all let me know. This is a pretty good video in my opinion. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all make sure y'all like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? More explanations on my designs on the way, you feel me? And alright, I'ma catch you in the next video.